What's up, everybody? This is John with John Fair Innovations, bringing you another math lesson. And today I'm going to show you how to factorize quadratics. Now, before I get into the video, if you enjoy it, do make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment on maybe a math topic you'd like me to tackle. And if you'd really enjoy the video, do make sure you hit that subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. So thank you so much if you've done that. Now, a quadratic is a special function in mathematics, in algebra, where we have x values to the power of 2, to the power of 1, and to the power of 0. And it's expressed in this form that we have here, which is ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. And in this case, the ones we're factorizing today are going to be when a equals 1. There's a little bit of a different thing you have to do when that first value has a different value to it. But today, we're just going to simply be doing very basic ones where a equals 1. Now, when you want to factorize quadratics, what you want to do is you want to work out the multiples of the different aspects of it. So we've got to look at b and we've got to look at c. So we'll look at one that says x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. And it's important that when you're factorizing quadratics, the function is set to 0. So sometimes they might give you a question where there's like a value on the side, on the other side, so you just have to set it to 0. Now, in this case, when you see nothing in front of that x squared, what they're saying is that x equals 1. And then if we're using the structure that we have above, b would equal 5 and c would equal 6. And these are the values that we're going to be using in order to factorize our quadratic. Specifically, because a equals 1, we don't have to worry too much about that one. It's more so we're going to be focusing on the b equaling 5 and the c equaling 6. So first thing we need to do is we need to find the multiples of our c value. So in this case, c equals 6. So there are a number of different ways in which we could have some sort of multiplication of equaling 6. Now we have to make sure that we're using whole numbers as well. So example could be 6 times 1. We could have 3 times 2. And we also have to account for potential negatives. So we could also have negative 6 times negative 1. And we could also have negative 3 times negative 2. All these will equal positive 6. So that's the first thing. We need to find out all our potential options in finding multiplication of 6. Now what we want to do is we want to find the addition. In this case, this is going to be 5. So when our b value, we want to have our two things that we're multiplying, and we add them together, and it should equal our b value. So in the first case, we've got 6 plus 1, so that's going to equal 7, which obviously is not 5, so that's not a potential solution. So we can keep going down. 3 plus 2 equals 5, negative 6 plus negative 1 equals negative 7, and negative 3 plus negative 2 equals negative 5. So we can see the only one that gives us the value of 5 is 3 and 2. So these are going to be our two factors that we're going to be using. And we want to put it into this form, which is bracket x plus k1, close bracket x plus k2 equals 0, where k1 and k2 are constants. In this case, we worked out that k1 and k2 were 3 and 2. So we essentially just substitute these into our brackets. So x plus 3, close bracket, bracket x plus 2 equals 0. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know another math topic you'd want me to discuss. But always stay safe, be kind to one another, and I'll see you next time.